Good morning, everyone, or good evening, or good afternoon, night. Wind is back again, of course. Getting some gusts up to about 45 miles an hour. It's supposed to get stronger, but the good news is it's pretty clear outside. It's quite warm out. It's already 61 degrees. And you can hear my cat meowing in the background. She hates wind. Let's see if we can... Oh, there she is. It sure is blowing everything around, though. Knocking everything down. There's Precious. Hoping you guys can hear me, but if not, I'm sorry. I apologize. It's nice outside, except for this wind. It's the only thing that sucks. Well, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll post some more later.